Uy, parang magtitang kwan, puntang school. Gagala ang magtito at magtita. Maintain lang. Galing ko, di ba? Bird yan, bird. Marunong na siyang magsabi ng bird. Turo mo yung bird. M. Upa. 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 Sige, sige. Uy. Very good. Very good, nauntog. Para matuto daw siya magkwan, escalator. Habang walang kasabayan. Taas, baba. O, di ba? Baba muna, tapos taas tayo, di ba? Okay. Galing nga, pipicture daw siya. Uy, smile nga rad, smile. Smile ka nga rad. Paano pogi-pogi? Halika na, pasok na daw. Tara na. Tara na, papasok na kami. Ang saya-saya ah.
Tayo, picture na dyan.
Yan ah. Ah. Takot. Ay, takot, takot. Gumalaw no. Laki no. Hold mo, hold. Ah, hindi na tayo punta. Hindi na tayo lalapit. Opo. Gumagalaw naman. Gumagalaw pa. Hindi. May sounds, may sounds. Oh, may sounds pala. May sounds. Yay! Pogi, pogi.
Wala yung dinosaur. Wala yung dinosaur.
Okay, tara na, tara na. Salarin. Ano? Opo, opo. Ano? Dito, dito si Tito. Tara, punta tayo doon. Tayo, liwanag. Dito tayo dito. Ay? Ano pala? Ayun, may mga play doon, oh. Tingnan mo. Oh, di ba? Opo. Dito lang tayo, oh. Pogi, sabi niya, pogi. Tignan mo doon, oh. Tignan mo yun, oh. Tignan mo yun, oh. Tignan mo yun, oh. Di ba? Wala, hindi pala talaga pwede sa kanya to. Masyadong pan. Yung sounds ang nakakatakot, no? Pang Halloween naman pala to, hindi pang pan. Dito naman si Tito. Oh. Play mo. Hold mo, gusto mo hold? Ayun, oh. Oh, sabi niya, pogi. Sabi niya, di ba? Wow. Tuman naman. Ito, ulo. Play ka na. Oh. Hindi man tayo alis. Oh. Yehey! Sa sound natatakot eh, hindi sa kwan eh.
Beto, sapatos mo na
Oh, yan oh. Oh. Ganito dito. Oh, butiki lang yan, butiki. Butiki. Lapitan natin yung tumigil ka naman. Di ka mo, pakita mo kay papa mo yan. Hindi, kon lang yun. Bird. Tingnan mo. Uy, cake oh. Uy, cake oh. Daming cake oh. Oh. Cake. Cake. Tayo. Pakain, dami pakain. Dami pakain. Ito, pag bacon naman, hindi naman pang science to. Ano? Oh. Pogi! Sabi niya, Pogi! Pogi si Grayson! Foot scrub, body lotion. Bulati lang yan, bulati. Opo. Diba? Pogi! Pogi! Pogi sabi niya. Oh, tignan mo si kuya oh. Oh, diba? Na, lipat tayo, punta tayo dun. Uy, punta tayo dun, may mga kwan, laman loob oh. Oh, di ba? Malalaking mamaya dito muna. Tingnan mo, may kamay dito, kamay oh. Kamay oh. Uy, malaking bibi oh. Malaking bibi oh, tingnan mo siya oh. Tingnan mo, malaking bibi oh. Oh, laking bibi. Opa.
Take a moment to appreciate the amazing machine that is the
Male, reproductive, or
Did you know that your body is made up of trillions of cells, each with its own special job? That's right, these tiny building blocks come together from tissues, organs, and systems. Isn't it fascinating to think about how all these parts work together, just like a perfect team? As you explore the exhibits, let's start with the skeletons. Look around at the display of bones. Did you know that adults have 206 bones, while babies are born with about 300? Some of those bones fuse together as we grow. Each bone has unique shape patterns, providing structure and support. Touching the level of the bone, feel its
Nangoy daw to.
move on to the muscles. Your muscles allow you to move, dance, and play. Without them, you wouldn't be able to walk, breathe, and smile. Check out these
Opa.
plays that let you see how muscles contract and relax.
Oh, play ka na dun oh. Play ka na. Hey! Bato. Hey! Oh. Bato din kita, bato. Oh. Bitawan mo siya, wala naman nang maingay. O, pwede ka na dyan, o, yan. Maingay yung dinosaur, kaya umiyak. Tapos pag pasok niya, puro mga bungo, wala, talagang ihiwalay yung kwan niya. Play ka lang. Bato kita. Yay! Okay. Ambot. Uy. Hindi, okay na po. Nakasapatos ako. Uy. Wala nang iyak ah. Lapit kayo dun no, sa mic ko no. Astronaut. Iyak ang pogi. Natakot sa sounds, hindi sa dinosaur.
It spins on its side. It's like the quirky planet of the solar system. And Neptune, with its deep blue color, is the farthest planet from the sun. It's known for its fierce winds and storms, making it a captivating destination for exploration. Now, as we look back at the entire solar system, remember how each planet has its own story. Some mysterious, some familiar, but all are important. And the other planets like
Thomas Edison. Scam. Isaac Newton, who discovered gravity. GMS yata, tama ba? Tama, gravitation theory. Charles Darwin. Stephen William Hawking. Isimut. Mga tumukra. Galileo Galilei. Magaling din yung gumawa nito, parang okay ka na? Okay ka na?
First was imagined Archimedes was a master of mathematics and engineering. You've probably heard the story. He jumped out of his bathtub shouting "Eureka!" when he discovered a principle of shapes and
Anong explanation daw yun? Bakit galaw ng galaw?
Yan yung gravity, yung magnet ng buwan.
Pero
Welcome to the Physics and Chemistry. We're thrilled to have you here, where the wonders of science come to life through the exciting world of physics and chemistry. Let's dive right into the fascinating realm of physics, the study of matter, energy, and the fundamental forces that shape our universe.
Amoy albatros.
How creatures defy gravity, or how airplanes soar through the sky. Here, you'll find interactive exhibits that demonstrate the principles of
Yun na
motion.
yun.
For instance, check out our motion simulator. Step inside and experience the thrill of acceleration and deceleration. Feel the rush as you learn about Newton's laws of motion. Each action has an equal and opposite reaction. What do you think happens to a car when it suddenly brakes?
Lang yun?
Explore the physics behind it and discover how engineers design safety features to protect passengers. Now let's shift gears to chemistry, the science of substances and their transformation. Chemistry is like magic, where ordinary ingredients combine to create extraordinary reactions. As you walk through our colorful displays, keep a reaction station. Here, you can mix made up of tiny particles called atoms. In this room, you'll learn about the periodic table, the organization of all known elements. Each element has unique properties, just like superheroes with their special powers. Some elements are gases.
Oh, baka matuklap po. 5,000 daw yan pagka natuklap.
Can you guess which element makes up
Ano
most
daw
of
yan?
our atmosphere?
Yan o, yung
As you
ano,
explore,
kurente o.
take a moment to appreciate how physics and
Ay, ang
chemistry
galing
are
na.
interconnected.
Parang may
For
scan siya.
instance, when we talk about
Kala ko
chemical
brain.
reactions, we often refer to the energy changes. That's right. The energy required to break bonds and form new ones is fundamental to understanding chemistry. Our energy transformation display showcases how energy moves through different forms, like from chemical energy in batteries to electrical energy powering our devices. Science isn't just theoretical, it has real-world applications. Consider how physics and chemistry work together in medicine. From understanding how drugs interact with our bodies to using advanced
Ano to? Power of wireless? Yan lang pinunta niya ang dito, Lego. Lego, di ba? Opo.
the energy required to break bonds.
Ha? Pero pag dito daw,
Our energy transformation
slow motion siya. Oh.
energy moves through different forms, like from chemical energy
Oh, dito ngayon sa kabilang eh.
energy powering our devices. Science isn't just theoretical, it has real-world applications.
Yun na yun. Lumipad na yung pera mo dun. Crap. Seeds. Towato cricket. Spider. Toilets ngayon. Ano toilets? Ay, wala. Walang linagay na sand. Tinanggal. Yun na yun. This is nasa na eh. Naging hindi na science to, convenience store na to. Ay wala na, tapos out na, tapos parking na, wala na, finish na. Diba finish na, no? Finish na, finish na.
Sa kabila. Ah, dali. Ayun o. Dali.
No.
Oh, ito, let's go slide. Wala pa?
Madulas. Ay, dilin, yung medyas mo.